Be ready, start. In the gold old days, comma, before the Second World War, comma, I met at Hyderabad a very handsome and impressive man who was wearing a watch on each wrist, full point, out of curiosity, comma, I asked him the time, full point. He smiled affably, comma, stretched out his hand and politely said, comma, see for yourself, full point. Even though he had two wrist watches, comma, he did not know how to read the time, full stop. The desire to acquire the latest machines and gadgets and to keep up with the Jansus is overwhelming that very often we hardly pause to consider whether the acquisition is really worthwhile, full point. In America, comma, it is fashionable to install a computer in the office and everybody is trying to outdo his rival by installing the latest model, full stop. This led a management consultant to state, double inverted comma start, you put garbage into a computer and get garbage out, comma, the only difference is that it comes out faster, full stop. Complete inverted comma. In the selection and purchase of office equipment, comma, one has to curb one's enthusiasm and use cold, comma, brutal logic, full point. The first question, comma, obviously, comma, is the machine or the equipment really and truly necessary? Question mark. Are we buying duplicate machines to reproduce material which need not be made into so many copies? Question mark. Are we installing complicated punch card equipment for simple operations which can be done manually? Question mark. It is indeed essential to raise questions of such a nature before the decision to purchase office equipment is taken. Full stop. It often happens that a careful systems study so much simplifies the work, that the equipment is not necessary at all and only manual work suffices. Full point. Stop.